lockdown is going to happen, and Tamil Nadu government plan to impose new restriction what's open and what's not. New guidelines will be implemented from 8 p.m. on Friday, April 9 to April 30. Agriculture and agriculture related activities, transportation of food grains and agriculture commodities will continue as usual. Section 144 will be implemented across the state. Not more than 5 people will be allowed to gather during the day. Beside, a night curfew will be imposed from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. During the night curfew, only people with valid reason can travel. Medical and other essential services have been excluded from this. So, the main purpose, the main purpose of this lockdown is to reduce the spreading of the virus that for the NAR, and they are getting the mutant virus also. Public places like garden, beaches, etc. will be completely closed except groceries, chemist shop and other essential services. All other shop will remain closed till April 30. Shopkeepers, Shopkeepers and staff involved in essential goods should complete the vaccination as soon as possible and see to it that the rules are followed by themselves and the customer. The notification read all types of public and private transport will continue on a regular basis. Authorized cab drivers and two passengers can travel. Standing passenger will not be allowed in public and private buses. Private office will be required to work entirely from home. Only banks, stock market, insurance, pharmaceuticals, mediclaim, telecommunications, as well as local disasters management, electricity, water supply office will remain open. 50% attendance in government office. Visitor will not be allowed in government office. A recreation area will be closed. Cinema, multiplex theatre, video parlor, club, swimming pool, sport complex, auditorium, water park will be completely closed. Places of worship of all will be closed for devotees and visitors. Restaurant and bars will be completely closed. However, takeaway or parcel service will continue from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Food vendors on the side of the road will be able to continue their business from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. only for the parcel service. E-commerce service will be allowed to operate. All delivery representatives should be vaccinated. RT-PCR test before delivery of product, or else fine. The person will be fined ₹1,000 and consent shop or organization will be fined 10,000. All saloon, beauty parlor, spas will be closed. The staff area should be vaccinated as soon as possible. Newspaper printing distribution will continue as usual, but vendors should be vaccinated. School and college will remain closed. However, entrance exam will be an exception. All private classes will be closed. The industry and manufacturing sector will continue, but the management should take care that the guidelines are followed. Film shooting will continue, but not in crowd. Should not be included. RT-PCR test certificate are mandatory for all staff and people at the shooting site. Construction workers are required to stay at the place where the work is underway. Only material will be allowed to be transported. If more than 5 COVID-19 patients are found in a society, the building will be declared as mini containment. Placards will be erected. Outsiders will not be allowed. So, Corona curfew, night curfew will be imposed between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. from 10th to 20th April in Bengaluru, Mysuru, Mangaluru, Kalaburagi, Bidar, Tumkuru, Udupi and Manipal. Essential service to be extended. CM B.S. Yediyurappa.